Mouse puts full control literally at your fingertips. Forget bulky bricks and cramped desks. This Bluetooth touchpad slips on like a ring, letting you scroll, swipe, snap, and zoom with just a flick. Skip TikToks from the couch, control slides mid-presentation, scroll recipes with messy hands, or flip comics on the train. No zombie grip required. It works everywhere: iOS, Android, Mac, Windows, even your smart TV. And yes, it's waterproof, IP67 certified. With 10 hours of battery life plus a 5-minute quick charge for an extra hour, you're never stuck powerless. But here's the real flex: hands-free camera control. Tap to shoot, press to zoom, and nail group shots or yoga videos without running back to your phone. Available in 12 sizes with titanium or stainless steel finishes, it's built to be worn all day. No slipping, no squeezing, just smooth, invisible control that feels like magic at your fingertips. These aren't just locks, they're freedom on wheels. The strong V160 for bikes and T160 for scooters lock in seconds with zero hassle. Just roll up, press, and boom, you're secure. No apps, no combos, no fiddling. Just one key and you're back on the move. Built tough with anti-pick protection and tamper-proof rivets, these locks are rock solid. Quiet, strong, and U-lock tough. They stay permanently mounted so you'll never forget your lock again. The V160 blends seamlessly into your bike, while the T160 hugs your scooter stem. Stylish, sleek, and always ready. Black for bikes, red for scooters, or bold colors if you dare. Push, lock, go. Security has never been this simple. The Titan 2 isn't just a throwback. It's a bold comeback for the physical keyboard in the 5G era. That tactile typing you've been missing is back, now upgraded with gestures, swipes, shortcuts, and full backlighting so your thumbs fly day or night. Powered by Android 15, it runs smooth and secure with global 5G, dual SIMs, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, dual-band GPS, and even an IR port. Every connection you could ask for. The 4.5-inch square display keeps things sharp, while a slick secondary screen on the back adds extra utility. And with a massive 5,500 mAh battery, plus 33 watts fast charging, you're powered all day without worry. Cameras, a 50 megapixel main, 32 megapixel selfie, and 8 megapixel telephoto give you pro-level shots on the move. Add in a flat-edge design, programmable red side buttons, and even a bonus TPU case. It feels built, not just made. Titan 2 is for doers, typers, and multitaskers. If you want power, precision, and personality in your phone, this is it. This pocket-sized beast packs 500 lumens of spotlight and 300 lumens of floodlight. Seriously bright, right? With 7 different light sources and 10 lighting modes, it handles literally anything, from RGB signaling to cozy reading mode. And here's the magic. You don't even need to press a button. Just wave your hand and boom, the infrared sensor switches it on or off. Perfect for night work, camping, or warehouse runs where speed matters. Clip it, stick it, or wear it. The magnetic tail and strong clip mean it goes anywhere you do. Waterproof, rechargeable, and smaller than a dollar bill. This is the everyday light you'll actually use because it's built for everything. The Kangaroo Porter is like a utility cart on superhero mode. It's not just hauling. It's a 70 carry cart, a storage box, and even a tabletop all in one. No more crouching like you're digging for treasure. The bag rides at waist height, and the fully opening lid means instant access to your gear. Need a workstation, picnic table, or camping cook setup? The detachable wooden tabletop straps on and transforms it in seconds. And when the day's done, it folds flat, handles and all, so you toss it in your car without the Tetris struggle. Built for stress-free packing, easy access, and all-day carrying power, it makes hiking, camping, tailgating, or moving gear feel almost too easy. Forget everything you know about headphones. The Movenshine AirCore Obu is flipping the script. These aren't earbuds, they're not cans. They're a whole new category, delivering hi-fi, room-like sound in a bold, open-ear design. No pressure, no isolation, just pure audio freedom. A massive 50mm bass driver gives you cinematic boom, while a dedicated high-frequency unit soars all the way to 40 kHz. Yeah, that's dog whistle territory. And it's not just sound, it's smart. Dual listening modes let you seal in focus or open up to stay aware, while intelligent noise detection automatically picks the best mode for you. It's like noise canceling with a brain. Comfort? Locked in. Just 309 grime, wrapped in cooling Leica fabric with an ice touch finish. You could wear these through a heat wave and still feel fresh. Whether you're producing beats, biking through the city, or just chilling, AirCore OW adapts seamlessly. Studio sound, open-air freedom, zero compromise. Meet the Flash Pro Ultra, the world's smallest 275-watt power bank. Pocket-sized, yet an absolute power monster. Charge 6 devices at once with 3 USB-C ports, a 160-watt USB-A, a 15-watt MagSafe wireless charger, plus a built-in pad for your Apple or Samsung watch. From your MacBook Pro to your AirPods, if it charges, Flash Pro Ultra's got it covered. And it's not just power, it's smart power. Dual OLED screens show you everything in real time. Output, temperature, time remaining. No more guessing if your laptop's actually charging. With 140 watts, 100 watts, and 60-watt USB-C ports backed by a massive 25,000 mAh battery, you're looking at 4 full iPhone charges or 1.5 for a MacBook Air. Need speed? Recharge it to 80% in just 35 minutes. Plus, it supports pass-through charging, so you can power your gear while the bank itself recharges. And all this performance comes in at just 590 grams. Flash Pro Ultra isn't just compact, it's a pocket-sized charging station built to keep you powered anywhere, anytime. Imagine walking into your room and boom, a tiny glowing robot lights up with a smiley face that actually matches your vibe? That's a Bodo. No cameras, no creepy tracking, just next-level motion sensing and AI reading the room like a pixel-powered mood ring. Want to wake up without rage? A Bodo's sunrise alarm slowly fills your room with soft dawn light, nudging you awake way gentler than that screechy phone alarm. Total morning win. And when it's bedtime, it transforms into your Zen master. Soft glows, ocean waves, even a crackling campfire sound for instant chill. But here's the fun part. You design your own light show. Pixel art, custom animations, little messages, all from your phone. You can even drop an emoji bomb to a friend's Bodo. Wholesome, right? And it doesn't stop there. Weather updates, music visualizers, and a mini rave right on your desk. It's like if your nightlight and your playlist had a genius baby. Bodo makes every moment brighter, calmer, and way more fun. What if a projector could fit in your backpack and still flex a 24-inch screen? Boom, meet SplayMax. Folding up smaller than a hardback book, it transforms into either a full HD display or an 80-inch short-throw projector, all from one device. Built with military-grade durability and a patented nanomaterial screen, it's wrinkle-resistant, smudge-proof, and bright enough to shine anywhere, from boardrooms to bonfires. Setup couldn't be easier. Just unfold, plug in, and present. No software, no drama. Connect with HDMI or USB-C, and you're rolling with razor-sharp 1080p visuals, 760 nits of brightness, and auto keystone correction that keeps your picture perfect every time. And here's the game changer. It's got a built-in battery for up to 4 hours of play, or stretch it to 12 with a power bank. No outlets required. Whether you're pitching, teaching, gaming, or showing off with friends, SplayMax gives you a massive screen anywhere without carrying a giant screen. Ready to feel like a scientist and a filmmaker with just one pocket-sized camera? Meet the Microcam X1, your all-in-one 4K gadget that goes from epic landscapes to insect eyelashes in a single twist. This little beast packs a 400x microscope, a 3 cm macro lens, and a 12 megapixel 4K camera, all inside a 160-gram shockproof body. No extra gear, no lens swapping, just twist and capture. Zoom from 24mm to 0.01mm and reveal what your eyes can't even see: the texture of a coin, the fuzz on a leaf, the wings of a fly, all in stunning 4K clarity. Want to shoot a time-lapse of a flower blooming or slow motion of an ant sprinting across the ground? Done. The flexible mount sticks to trees, desks, even your bike handlebars, so you can explore anywhere. And that 3.5-inch IPS screen, bright, sharp, perfect for real-time discovery. Or hook it up to a bigger display for jaw-dropping group moments. Whether you're a creator, a teacher, or just endlessly curious, the Microcam X1 is your pocket-sized window into the hidden world.